It only gets easier for teens to get their hands on alcohol and drugs, which means a Columbia County program that's seen use of them fall in their communities is doing something right. But now this may all go away. The money is running out. News 3's David Douglas is here with that story. David.
Tough times, Maria. The program, Columbia County Connects, finds itself in a funding fit. Since inception, it's been funded by a federal grant, giving it $100,000 a year. In September 2011, those checks will stop coming, and they aren't eligible to reapply. Perhaps you've seen these billboards in Columbia County, messages that have made a difference.
You know, I know that what we're doing is working. We've seen the trends. We've seen improvement.
Yet Meg McCullough, the Community Action Coordinator for Columbia County Connects, is frustrated, knowing the money that makes it happen won't last forever.
It's become very difficult to find any replacement for the funding that we have, which is the Drug Free Communities Grant.
The group has nearly a dozen programs, including Teen Court, which Kendall and Luchkins volunteers for. Teens who choose to go through the program face stricter punishments than they would in the regular juvenile system, but their records are expunged once sentences are completed.
I think we need Teen Court so that when they do get in trouble, they will come here and realize that what they did wasn't something that they should have done. But when they don't, they just do it again and laugh because they didn't get in trouble.
Posters and flyers pinned up in schools might be the most visible part of the program. But countywide, there are some 750 volunteers who say their good work will always go on, but without funding, might not be as effective.
Well, you can see a lot of well-meaning people maybe going without the focus and without the direction that Columbia County Connects can provide for us. How do we go about and do something? We'd have to start from ground zero.
A lot of what we do is not going to be able to continue unless we find some additional funding.
The group feels their best chance to fill the funding gap is to find some sort of corporate sponsor. They do have several other sources of funding, but the Drug Free Communities Grant is the second largest and certainly one of the toughest to replace.
Certainly an organization that has been making an impact there in Columbia County. News 3's David Douglas. David, thank you very much.